Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at another case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it comes to us from Supcase. This is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So let's start the video and show you what I'm talking about. Pow. So if you guys haven't checked this out, let's unbox it together. So we have our packaging for Unicorn Beetle, drop protection, and on the other side you guys can pause this and read it for yourself. You definitely can. Put that to the side. It looks like you have an instruction manual here, how to install it. It's almost like a pamphlet. Pretty cool. It says replaceable adhesive strips for front case to help prevent dust from getting under the front casing. This package includes extra adhesive strips. Alright, so the one thing I missed is that it does have the extra adhesive strips actually in the pamphlet, so don't throw the pamphlet away. Here's the case itself. You have a nice little foam, and it looks like you have a clip here. Alright, so you have a holster clip. Taking it back to the old school Supcase. If you guys have never had a Supcase case before, check it out. I got the blue one. Really nice. On the inside you have a soft material, really nice texture, kind of foamy, you could say. Inside we have the Supcase logo. On the outside we have a kickstand. They make some decent kickstands here. I'm really digging this blue UB logo up there. On the left side it looks like we have some type of carbon fiber look to it, volume up and down, and you have that logo for Supcase right over here. But as far as the fronts, so we have a built-in screen protector, which is an absolute plus when it comes to a case like this, because I do actually have a tempered glass already installed, so I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with that, but we could definitely pop this off. Doesn't look like there's a tab for the front one, but we will try to, oh, here it goes, it's right here, right in the bottom. Peel that off. Alright, so you have your built-in screen protector, and you have that microfiber, that carbon fiber look on the right side as well. So big shout out to them for actually making an attempt to actually really be a decent case. So I guess for this one you could just slide it in just like so. Now this might be an issue since I have a tempered glass already on it, so it's going to affect that really good there. Alright, so as you can see, it does have an exposed hinge area, so you don't have the hinge protection unless you put it into the holster, and this holster is huge. Check this out. Just look at the size of this thing. Alright, and you basically just have to plug it in here, and this is your protection. I'm kind of curious why they don't have protection for the hinge in a certain way. Let's see if I flip it. Curious to see, maybe that's an option. You could flip it just like that. So if you guys want to put this on your hip somehow or on your book bag, this is the protection that it gets. Now it doesn't have much hinge protection besides this part right here, but it does actually showcase the Samsung logo pretty good, so you could probably showcase that Samsung logo. But as far as the overall case, the case seems really good. I think this case is about 60 bucks, but you don't get the hinge protection, which is really a big factor when it comes to a lot of these cases now. But as far as the overall design, I think it looks really nice. Now hold on, let's see what's going on here. Doesn't look like it's fully completely in here. Right, so let's try this again. So maybe you have to slide it in the same way you slid in the other one. It's not really sliding in that well. No, looks like it's alright, there you go. So you just have to slide it a little bit more down, but this is what the case looks like. I'm definitely gonna check that out, see if it scratched my tempered glass. Oh no, that's temporary. This part will actually come off, so just clean that up a little bit. So if you have a tempered glass, you might have an issue here, and in my past I actually popped off a couple of tempered glass, these built-in screen protectors, but it looks like did some type of it moved the adhesive glue here, and I put it on the front of the screen, so I might have to clean that up after the video. Alright guys, so we are now back. I cleaned it up just a little bit, as much as I could. I did actually get some alcohol spray. So you guys let me know what you guys think about the case so far. This is the lip protection for the front, and this is the lip protection for, well, that was the back, this is the front. Very minimal all the way around. A really nice design case, especially with this blue, which I love blue, so definitely works for me. But you guys let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. If you guys had to change anything, would you add a little hinge protection there? Because you know, if you get that hinge protection, you're definitely going to add at least another $30, because a lot of those cases cost about $70 to $80. So you guys let me know what you guys think. As far as the fingerprint scanner, no issues. Let's say the fingerprint scanner for the front. Alright, so let's check out wireless charging together. Works just fine. Alright, so you guys let me know what you guys think about this case. Let's take a look at the kickstand. Put the phone in. Well, it actually stands like that though, by itself. Alright, so there. Check out that kickstand here. Okay, so it don't work like that. It'll work like this though. Alright, so that's about it for the video, guys. If you guys like this content, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Supcase products. So, to the next video, guys. Peace. Man, this is annoying. Later.